The CFAK is a new multi-use pouch from Rescue Essentials. A slightly larger version of our plainclothes carry pouch, the CFAK measures 5 by 7 inches in size. It includes 2 internal pockets, a large webbing loop, and 3 smaller webbing loops. While the plainclothes carry pouch could accommodate the soft tourniquet, the CFAK was designed to also hold larger tourniquets, such as the CAT and SAM XT. The CFAK pouch can also be used as a carry system for standard first aid components, and also makes a great admin pouch for your EDC items. The mounting system on the back of the CFAK pouch accommodates both MOLLE mounting as well as belt mounting in both a vertical or horizontal direction. The CFAK has a loop strip on the top front, which allows you to attach patches and identifiers. There's also PALS, which allows you to MOLLE mount additional pouches to the front of the CFAK. For more information on the new CFAK pouch, check it out at rescue-essentials.com.